Linking your bank account to Instacart Express is a straightforward process that allows for seamless payments and easier shopping. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Open the Instacart app or website. Start by launching the Instacart app on your mobile device or visiting the Instacart website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Account Settings menu, find and select the Payment Methods option. This section allows you to manage your payment options, including adding a new bank account. Step 4. Add a new bank account. Click on the option to add a new payment method. Choose bank account from the available options. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save or Link Account button to complete the process. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank account has been successfully linked. Now you can enjoy a more convenient shopping experience with Instacart Express. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Help section or customer support for assistance.